Hi everyone, I'm with Natalie McKenna, living in this beautiful home in Los Angeles. What do you like about the laundry jet?
Well, the thing I love so much about it is I'm very clean. I like everything very modern looking in my house, and so therefore I never am gonna have laundry hampers. I think they're kind of an eyesore, and especially when guests are around, it's really nice to have space for their suitcases and everything. And so it's just nice that I never have to have smelly, dirty laundry inside my room. I don't have to go through and gather all the laundry. It's so easy because it just puts all the laundry in a central location in my laundry room, ready to go, ready to clean. It's so easy.
And it's gone.
You can hardly hear anything, especially if the door's closed.
There's the garment. And Natalie has invented the first shelf chute additional accessory to the laundry.
There it goes.
And the laundry just falls. That's so cool. And the basket's even on wheels, so you can then move it over to the washing machine.
I'm taking out all the extra steps with this. Actually, weirdly, laundry has become something somewhat enjoyable for me. It feels great to have everything clean and in one place. It's really wonderful, especially for super clean rebounder types of people.
And what do your guests think of it?
Oh, they love it. I've been giving a lot of tours in the house because it's a new house. So every time I do, my grand finale is showing them the laundry jet, and I'll hand out like a pair of sweatpants to each person who's on the tour, and they'll get to put the sweatpants through the laundry jet themselves. And we come and we follow in here and they watch it come down, and it's like an adult version of Mousetrap, having so much fun with it.
An adult version of Mousetrap.
And it's just such an amazing feature.
Natalie, thank you so much for your time and telling us about your laundry jet. We absolutely love it, and we love your home. Thanks again.